truthful. And I'm not here to talk to people who are committed to misunderstanding. Now, if you really desire to understand the word witch in the Bible, I'm going to show you where to go. You want to go to christianwitches.com. Once you get to christianwitches.com, you want to click on videos and resources. Here, we have tons of resources for our community. And if you scroll down to where it says articles to correct error beliefs about Christian witches, educate yourself, family, educate yourself. And click right here, the article titled, "Thou shalt not suffer a witch to live," a murderous mistranslation. I got so sick of hearing that from Christians. I got so sick of hearing it. So here is an article right here for you. "Thou shalt not suffer a witch to live," a murderous mistranslation. Read the article and understand what it is talking about. Now, there's another resource that I'm going to give you, and that is at the Christian Witches Substack. So all you do is go to Christian Witches /Substack. Christian Witches has a Substack because I love to write. And so I write to uplift us all. Okay, let me just go to Christian Witches Substack. You can easily search it. And this is an article that has been written by myself for you. There it is, Christian Witches Substack. It's easy. Anything you Google Christian Witches, you're going to find it. Christian Witches Substack. Now, you can subscribe if you desire. Otherwise, you're going to go home and you're going to just look. Here is the article. "Thou shalt not suffer a witch to live, a biblical license to kill." Let's see. Click on it. I wrote it on my birthday. And here I give you the full understanding of the word witch and the word witch in the Bible, Christians, taken from the scripture Exodus 22:18, Exodus 22:17 in the Hebrew Bible and in the New Catholic Bible. So, family, read this, understand this word right here. This is your magic word that you want to get understanding of, because this is the word that is translated witch in the Bible. Educate yourself. And once you read this, you will clearly understand what it means. This is for all the Christians who like to come in and just throw random Bible scriptures in the chat. I love you. I'm here for you too. Peace. Reverend Valerie Love, ChristianWitches.com. Now, this is the first time I've done a live on TikTok, and I actually don't even know how to end it. I think this is a little X. Swipe left.